This is how my kids do laundry. Are y'all done?
Yeah.
Wow, that was the fastest I've ever seen you guys do laundry. Jedediah, did you just do laundry? Hey, did you just do laundry?
Yeah.
Can you say laundry? Uh-oh. Leave it there. Don't. Oh, no. Oh, no. No, pick it up. Trouble. Okay, seriously, where does it go? I never knew laundry could be so fun.